Hi, I'm Kim Abels. I work for Ames Convention and Visitors Bureau, and I am the Sales and Service Manager. I'm on a bowling league, so every Thursday night during the winter months I bowl with, I have two other ladies that I bowl with, but our league is actually a mixed league. I actually own my own bowling ball, I have my own bowling shoes, I rent a locker, so that's kind of the, I'm not good by any means. My handicap and my average is subpar, but it just gives me a time to relax and hang out with some friends. I collect watermelon based items. I like to eat watermelon as well, so in my office I have this mug, this coffee mug, but usually it has hot chocolate in it. But I also have a watermelon Scentsy over here in my office. And then the other interesting thing in my office, up on my computer, I don't know if you can see it, but I have this little pig, and supposedly this pig is supposed to bring me luck, so I keep it in my office. I had it at my old job. My coworker there gave it to me, and so I've kept it, and it's been with me wherever I head to in my professional life. So that's my lucky pig.